This is Brian Fry of Not 10 Yacht Sales and a member of the Yacht Boss team, bringing you today a 2008 Beneteau 40 at an unheard of price of $70,000.
So from the outside, the boat is in pretty rough shape, meaning cleanliness-wise, more cleanliness than condition. Everything is in good working order. It's just the boat's been sitting for so long, unattended to. There's a lot of cleaning that needs to be done, and sanding and varnish. You can actually just sand the old varnish off and just leave it natural. You'll get a better feel for the overall condition of the boat by looking at the interior. And the boat's been closed up, but interior-wise, you can tell the boat is actually in decent shape. The potential for the exterior to look just as good as the interior is there. Very nice layout. Great for a couple or a small family. You have a huge bunk aft to starboard. It's really not a quarter berth, it's a full, not a queen size bunk, with the head en suite to that. Separate shower. Highly desirable. Separate shower from the toilets, not a wet head. And there's also access to the head from the salon. See, the cushions are in very nice shape. So are the floors. This is a 2008. These floors are really, really great shape. Even the shades, losing a little shape to them from sitting in the heat. These are exterior cushions. They look brand new. I don't know if they are. I believe the bimini is new. And the other pieces are in decent, nice shape. You can see the windows. And then forward there is a gigantic V-berth with a little makeup table. An actual mattress. And there is storage behind the door and over the desk. Nice nav station desk. Overall, the boat's in great shape for somebody who's willing to put a little elbow grease in. The engine, very nice shape. Last time the impeller was changed was a 21. Looking at the underside, rudder appears to be in very good shape. So it was a prop, no indication of play in the bearing. There were a bit too many coats of bottom paint put on without sanding first, so you're getting some flaking. No indication of any blistering. Shouldn't be of this era of boat, but the keel, apparently steel, just needs a really good sanding, and then a coat of primer painted. There's a good indication showing you the state of the bottom paint, where it's just flaking off now. Too many coats. It does have a bow thruster. Gel coat looks like it's in decent shape. Obviously could use a really good buffing out. Same with the port side. The delamination appears to be, you can see the crazing right here. There's some delamination here too. Up around the shrouds, good and solid. Even here it seems solid. A little hollow here. Solid thunk. So it's actually the stanchion aft of the shroud, all alongside that track, is good and solid. That's where the hollowness is right there.